Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshala. Straighten your legs. Now, if your knee joints are healthy, fold your left leg. For me, this is my right. And bring your right foot touching your left knee. All clear, everybody? Yes? Now turn your upper body towards your right knee. Inhale. As you go down, engage your core muscles and stay. Palms on the floor. Keep stretching your arms. Stay. Keep stretching. And inhale. Now, what we want to do is, when you go down towards your right knee, you will not drop your palms first and then you go down. Okay? What we want to do is, inhale, exhale, palms are off the ground. No, don't do it right now. Inhale, come on. Again, you go down, palms are off the ground. And inhale, you come up. Come on, let's get ready. Turn your upper body towards the right side. Inhale, exhale, down and up. 2 and up. And 3 and up. And 4 and up. 5 up. 6 up. 7 up. 8 up, 9 up, and on the count of 10, stretch, palms on the floor, go down, and inhale, come up, breathe, relax. For me this is my right leg, for you it is going to be your left leg. Inhale, turn your upper body towards left side. Inhale, exhale, down. Stretch. Give a nice stretch to your back, your shoulders, your arms. And inhale. Come up. Now we do 10 times. We will not rest our palms on the floor. Come on. Inhale, exhale, down. And up. And 2. And up. And 3 and up. 4. Inhale. 5 up. 6 up. 7 up. 8 up. 9 up. And on the count of 10, stay, palms on the floor. Breathe. And inhale. Come back and relax. How was it? Good, okay, better, best? Chalo. Now, legs apart like this. Get on your heels. The second exercise again, it is working on the belly. Both the hands at the shoulder level. When you exhale, you twist. पेट के muscles को अंदर खींचो. Okay, so here you go. Clear? Chalo, let's get ready and start. Last 10. And come back. Sukhasana, forward bend. Relax.